Weston, this is win number 21, and I just want you to know some people, after winning the entire tour, would just kick back and relax, but not you. You come back and you and Armando are neck and neck. You're not letting him take that win over you. You've got the points. I mean, how do you feel?
I feel great. You know, I saw Armando's run and I saw that he slid out down here on the end. I don't think he gave it enough throttle though, so I came out here and I just tried it. I tried to see if it was track conditions or driver error, and I came out here and I got that moonwalk down. I don't know if you fans could see it, but I actually had the steering wheel out of the window for both of those moonwalks. Did you guys see it?
They can get more because it is almost time for the donut competition, which you also have claimed so many wins in that competition. I mean, what can the fans look out for in that?
You know, it's super tight quarters in here. If I can get a donut going, watch for the way that I do my donuts. I don't do them like anybody else. And just like I did those moonwalks right there, I don't need a steering wheel for a donut. I pulled it out the window in that competition too.
Well, you guys